But first to an update on a Full Circle special report. Good evening, everyone. I'm Jamison Euler.
And I'm Wendy Ryan. Thank you for joining us. As vaccine eligibility expands, Florida is part of a shrinking number of states that has yet to vaccinate a single prison inmate. I-Team investigator Kylie McGivern with where Florida stands right now.
At the time of our report, about 2 weeks ago now, Florida was one of 10 states that had yet to make prison inmates and/or staff eligible for the COVID-19 vaccine, rejecting CDC recommendations. Now, Florida is one of less than a handful of states that has done nothing to prioritize the prison population.
Let's be frank, this isn't an issue in which we can't do something. It's an issue in which we're choosing not to do something. And we believe that we can do better.
Neil Valls is with the Florida Rights Restoration Coalition, an organization made up of former felons working to end disenfranchisement and discrimination against people with convictions.
There's more.
Its president, Desmond Meade, also served as one of 14 members on the National Commission on COVID-19 and Criminal Justice.
We came up with these recommendations, right, in 2020, right? And so we see this being rolled out in federal prisons. We see this being rolled out across other states.
Federal and other state prisons vaccinating inmates and correctional officers. In New York on Monday, a judge ordered the state to offer vaccines to every prisoner, saying there is no acceptable excuse for this deliberate exclusion of the population.
There have been more than twice the amount of people who have died from COVID-19 in Florida prisons and jails than the entire amount of people that's been executed, legally executed by the state of Florida since 1976.
The state has executed 99 inmates since reinstating the death penalty. In the last year, at least 213 inmates have died related to COVID-19. The state recording 3 deaths in the last 2 weeks.
The taxpayers eventually have to foot the bill. If these individuals get sick, they're going to take up much needed hospital beds.
This is about public health, in addition to answering that fundamental question about who we are and how we view each other.
We've contacted the Florida Department of Health and the governor's office several times over the last couple of months, asking about a plan to vaccinate inmates and staff. Still, we've received no answers, no timeline. Online now, you can find our Full Circle special report as well as on our streaming news channel. I'm I-Team investigator Kylie McGivern, taking action for you.